Let's be honest. Have you ever felt like getting behind the wheel is like gearing up for a daily battle? Well, today we're diving into the surprising power of something simple, considerate driving. We're going to explore how a small shift in how we think can do more than just prevent crashes. It can make our time on the road way calmer and a whole lot more efficient.
Think about your commute this morning. Was it totally stress-free? Yeah, for most of us, that's a pretty rare thing, right? With all the traffic, the close calls, and, the aggressive drivers, the road really can feel just like this, a battleground where everyone's just trying to get one car length ahead. But what if the answer isn't just about more rules or tickets? What if the real key to making our roads safer and calmer is something we can all do? A fundamental shift in our own mindset. That's exactly what we're going to get into.
So, what does it actually mean to go beyond just following the rules? Let's take a look at the powerful mindset that really defines a truly considerate driver.
Okay, so what exactly is considered driving? Well, at its heart, it's this, a conscious decision. This isn't just about being nice. It's about actively creating a predictable flow of traffic. And that word, predictable, that's everything. It's about choosing the safety of everyone on the road over your own impatience to get there 2 seconds faster. And this really shows the difference. You see, a rule follower, their focus is on obedience. They stop at the stop sign because that's the rule. But a considerate driver, their focus is on awareness. They see the stop sign, but they also notice the person on the corner who looks like they're about to cross. It's a huge shift from just thinking about yourself to thinking about everyone.
But, and this is so important, good intentions are not always enough. If you slam on your brakes to let someone merge and it confuses the driver behind you, your attempt at kindness could actually cause an accident. So any act of consideration has to be clear and predictable to everyone else. Okay, so we get what it is, but what are the actual payoffs? This is where it gets really interesting. We start to see this surprising ripple effect. A single considerate act doesn't just end there. It creates these waves of positive outcomes that go way beyond just your own car.
And the very first ripple? It starts with you. The obvious stuff is less stress and a calmer drive. But it also means less wear and tear on your car. Driving smoothly, not gunning it or slamming on the brakes, isn't just safer, it's cheaper. It actually makes your car last longer.
And this chart, this is where it really hits your wallet. Insurance companies look at your entire risk profile, and as you can see, a considerate driver has a much lower risk score than an aggressive one. That can directly translate into real savings, rewarding you with lower insurance bills. And then that ripple keeps going, expanding outward to the community. When more people drive considerately, traffic just flows better for everyone. It builds goodwill and creates a less angry, less confrontational vibe on the road. It literally changes the entire feeling of the commute. The environmental impact is also, wow, it's pretty staggering. Get this, for every 2 minutes your engine is just idling, you burn enough fuel to travel about a mile. That's just wasted gas and emissions going nowhere. So the advice is simple. If you're stopped for more than a minute, just turn the engine off.
A lot of these so-called eco-friendly habits are really just considerate driving habits. Driving smoothly, keeping your tires properly inflated, taking off that heavy roof rack you aren't using, they all save fuel. And here's a great tip. Your car's fuel efficiency often takes a nosedive at speeds over 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. So easing up on the gas helps your wallet and the planet. Now, all this sounds great in theory, but the real test, right? The real test is putting it into practice when things get tricky. In gridlock traffic, during a confusing merge, or when you're sharing the road with people who are way more vulnerable. Let's see how this works in the real world.
The zipper merge. This might be one of the most misunderstood maneuvers on the road. So many people think that using both lanes all the way to the end is cutting in line, but actually it's the most efficient way to do it. It uses all the available road space. When everyone gets it and takes turns, one by one, like a zipper, traffic flows so much better.
Now let's talk about cyclists, because they are incredibly vulnerable out there. The law in a lot of places says you have to give at least 3 feet of space when you pass, but being truly considerate means maybe giving even more. And of course, always check your blind spots. But there's one simple habit that can literally save a life. It's called the Dutch reach.
Here's how simple this is. Instead of using the hand closest to the door, you reach across your body with your far hand to open it. This one small move forces your whole body to turn, making you automatically look over your shoulder and check for cyclists before you swing that door open. It's a brilliant, simple habit that prevents those awful, dooring accidents.
So we've seen the mindset, we've seen the benefits, and we've seen how to apply it. Now it's really about putting it all into practice. It's your turn at the wheel.
And this, right here, is the biggest takeaway. A small personal choice to prioritize being aware, to have a little empathy, that has the power to totally transform not just your own trip, but the entire community's experience on the road. It's a huge collective impact from a small individual act. So as we finish up, I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What one small habit could you change, starting today? Maybe it's trying the Dutch Reach, or just resisting the urge to weave through traffic. Whatever it is, what kind of quiet ripple effect could that one small change create for everyone around you? Thanks for joining us.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.